Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be removing the oil and service light on a Honda Forza 1.5. So just to show you guys, I'm gonna turn on the ignition and we're gonna see the oil change light, and there's also a spanner near it which represents the service light, and we're simply gonna be resetting that using these two buttons, A and also B. So if you have a Forza with the same console, this should apply also to your bike. So first off, we're gonna start with the bike with the ignition off. We're gonna be pressing the A and B button at the same time, and then we're simply gonna turn on the ignition. As we can see, the oil change light is now flashing. So what we're gonna do now is tap the B button, and as you saw, the oil change reset it to 6,000 kilometers. Next, it went onto the service light automatically when we press the B button. We're gonna press the B button on the service light now, and it resetted also to 6,000 kilometers. So that is all. We've resetted both oil change and service lights now. In this case, it's a 6,000 kilometer interval. Other models, may have different intervals. So yeah, it depends on your bike. So yeah, guys, there it is. We've cleared both service lights, and yeah, that's pretty much all we need to do. So thanks guys for watching. Hope this helped you in resetting your Honda Forza oil service lights. It's only a 2-minute job, and I will see you in the next one.